Hello, today's video is about blockchain and smart contracts and how we can apply this technology in real life, because I hear a lot of questions about examples of such process and how to apply smart contracts, because sometimes it's not really easy to find such process, and I had made small research and found that Escrow actually a very suitable example to work with in conjunction with a blockchain and smart contracts, because behind idea behind the escrow accounts, it's really suitable for after to be made automated by the smart contracts. And actually, the idea behind escrow accounts really is simple. We have two parties, buyers and sellers. Buyer want to buy some property which sellers owns, and sellers want to sell something, property, cars, no matter. And for instance, buyer and sellers even never meet each other, and in this case, to make this deal safe, usually we use some middleware. In this case, it's maybe bank or some authority like government and so on. And this middleware works in this way. Buyer transfer funds to this agent, for instance bank, but with some conditions, with set of conditions. These set conditions include condition about who is the owner of the property, new owner of the property. I mean, when seller re-register the owns of the property to the buyer, so the new owner of the property became buyer. So this condition includes in the set of condition of escrow agreement. And when this condition was satisfied, bank received the ability to transfer the funds to the seller. And after that, we have win-win situation when buyer received its new property and seller received his money from the agent, and deal became safe, very safe, and suitable for instance, international deals and so on. And actually, algorithm behind this business process is very suitable to work with blockchain and smart contracts, but with very important idea, with very important note behind this, because I mean, from the history of the blockchain, we need to try to understand the idea behind blockchain before we trying to apply blockchain smart contracts into this process. If you remember, the idea of blockchain is to remove something in the middle, like banks and so on. And when we will try to apply smart contracts to this idea, we need somehow to remove this agent in the middle from this deal. I mean, we need to make this deal only deal between two parties, not three parties. It's very important, because otherwise it is not a blockchain. Actually, it's not how blockchain should work. Blockchain plus smart contracts, it's absolute replacement for the agent. You need to understand it's really important when you will try to find another ideas how to apply blockchain and smart contracts. Smart contracts actually removes this middle party, and the deal between the two participants still the safe. In this one, blockchain and smart contracts allow to be this deal where safe in the same terms like it's safe between three parties. It's really important because it helps to make such deals without any connections to some banks or pay some commissions to these middle parties, and this how we can apply blockchain and smart contracts in this process. And of course the set of the conditions of escrow agreement moved to smart contracts.